Take a look at this 1991 Cadillac Eldorado. As you can see, it is in light sapphire blue fire mist, dark blue leather interior. Now, the cool part about this car is the history of it. It's a Southern car. It was purchased brand new in 1991, and the people that purchased it, it was their 13th Cadillac that they had bought. They had this car up until 2019. Ended up coming to us. And a low original mile car too. When I get around and start it up, I'll show the odometer, I'll check out the actual miles. As far as paint, it appears that it's the original paint in this car. Has a nice luster to it. For the age, you're going to find a few imperfections in it, but overall, nice condition car. There's a couple things that the techs noticed when we went through, and I'll show you those pretty much on the interior of the car. One was the radio. But all the equipment you'd expect: power windows, power locks, tilt, cruise, AC blows cold, power steering, power brakes, original Cadillac wheels. The other thing that it appears is it has Michelin XTX4s, and if you look in with the owner's manual, there is actually a Michelin warranty sheet in there that this car came new with XT4s. I believe these are the original tires that are on this car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, the underside, interior, and just look at how clean this is, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, feel free to call us too. 507-386-1726. I believe this car was a little over $33,000 new back in 91. There's the Cadillac on preference order sheet. It's not really a window sticker or an invoice, but it has all the information on this car back when it was being ordered. And there's a picture of that in the stills also. Now, as far as this top, this would have been added by ASC, I do believe. The vinyl top on it. The other thing on this car, every panel still has the original VIN sticker that would have been put on it when General Motors produced this car. So it is all original. Sheet metal on the car. Does not appear that there's been in any accidents. It is a clean Carfax. Now remember, we do consider trades. If you live in the continental United States, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle to you. Financing is available, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Under the hood, of course, these at a 4.9 liter. That was paired up with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This body style ran from, I believe it was 86 to 91. This would have been the last year of this body style in 91. You can see up and down the side of it, not full of dings, nicks, scratches. I mean, yeah, you're going to have a few imperfections if you get down and really look hard for something small, but overall, again, considering originality, age of the vehicle, very nice shape. All right, I'm going to show you the miles on this now also, and a couple of things that we did notice. I did mention the radio. Radio power is on, just sound. No sound will come out of the speakers. And it appears that it's getting reception. It's just sound coming out of the speakers. So here's your miles. Original miles, 36,017 miles. And again, original owners bought this car in 91, had it all the way to 2019. Here, where you see the E, the sending unit, we noticed was bad. This car does have a full tank of gas, but it will show that it's empty. So you'd have to record your miles, or you would look into getting that sending unit. But I want to make you aware of those two things. Other than that, I mean, just take a look at the dash, not sun faded, cracked. I'm going to show you the rest of the interior. I just want to go over those things. So 36,000 original miles. But just look at the armrests. Lots of times that's where you'll see wear. Take a look at these seats. Also very nice shape. Headliner. Slip around to the back. Just what you'd expect. Sounds like a stock, nice running Cadillac. Now I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood so you can check out this engine bay. See how nice that is also. I'll pause this a second, be right back. Alright, look at this. How this thing was kept. You know it was stored indoors, obviously. Tell that by looking at the interior dash. Look at this engine bay. How smooth that runs. And again, AC will freeze you out. AC blows cold. Nice smooth running 4.9. There you go. And these ride out nice. Beautiful luxury car. 1991 Cadillac Eldorado. Sapphire blue. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. If you're in the continental U.S., remember we can assist with shipping if you need it. Financing is available. We do consider trades, and this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.